Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna talk about the VW Golf Mark 1 GTI. This is a model made by Norev at the 1/18 scale. It's a metallic model that features opening bonnet and doors, but sadly no suspension, only functional steering. This is on the low end of Norev models, and it has some signs to it. You can see, first of all, the headlights. You have the mounting points visible, which is a bit annoying to me. Also, no perforated grill in the front. We have the VW logo and GTI logo there, of course. We have the license plate, and we have this skirt in the front, this diffuser, like the original model. Next, we have the wheels, which look pretty good. I think they are time period correctly. In the back, we have the Volkswagen and Golf GTI logos there. We have the license plate, and also we have the same problem as the headlights. We have the mounting point visible in the back as well, and we have the exhaust there. Underneath the model, we have some details here in the front, but I think they could have done a better job. And we have the exhaust that goes all the way to the back. Let's open the bonnet to check the engine compartment, and sadly we are greeted with these huge hinges, which I really don't like. I think they should have used some other mounting point, but that is what they decided. And also the lack of details is quite visible in this engine bay. But the only thing I like is the battery, which looks quite nice. And let's open the doors to check the interior. Sadly, no carpeted interior for this model. And also, of course, we have these huge hinges. I don't like the pattern on the seat. It looks quite strange to me with this color combination. I would have loved the normal color combination. As also, the steering wheel looks a bit off for me. It's a modified steering wheel, I think, and I really don't like it. I would have loved the normal steering wheel. Other than that, the dash looks pretty good. Also, the gear lever looks quite nice. Other than that, I don't think I have anything to mention for this model. Tell me in the comments what do you think about the model, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.